Good morning, students. I hope you people are well. Today we are going to start our online classes for class 11, and I, Himlata Verma, going to take your biology subject. For biology, you have to prepare 200-page notebook for writing the notes. First, we will see the introduction of biology. It is a branch of science that primarily deals with structure, function, growth, and evolution and distribution of organisms. You can say that it is a branch of science where we will study about all the living organisms. It is having basically three branches. The first one is your botany, second one zoology, third one is microbiology. The main branches of biology are botany, zoology, and microbiology. When we talk about the botany, it deals with the study of the plant. When we talk about the zoology, it is the branch where we study about the animals. Then microbiology, it is the branch where we study about the microbes. These are the main branches. Other than that, sub branches are given below. Next, children, one circular diagram had been in front of your in front of you. See here, applied biology, basic biology, both the things are given. So many branches are there, and different branches are having its importance. Some I am explaining here. Suppose you take the example of genetics. Here we will learn about the genes, what are present in you, what are going to be present in the next generation. Then when we talk about the veterinary science, this is going to deal with the animals. When we talk about the poultry, this is going to deal with the chicks or the egg laying animals which we can consume. Then when we talk about the forestry, for taking proper care related to the forest. Then taxonomy, the branch where we are going to give the names to the animals as well as the plants, that will be known as your taxonomy. In that manner, so many branches are given, and each and every branches is having well developed scope for the future aspect regarding the job purpose. Next is children here, anatomy, internal structure, that is the study of internal structure of any of the organism, whether it is plant or animals, it will be included in your anatomy. Cytology, the study of the cell is known as your cytology. Histology, the study of the tissue is known as your histology. Then biochemistry, definitely what all chemicals are present within the living system, that will be studied under this. Physiology, how the functions are carried out within the body, that we will study. Then embryology, development for the new offsprings, how the process will be carried out. Then related to the parasites, parasitology. Then ethology, behavior, how a person is behaving to the other people, and the other people how they are behaving with the others. Then children, immunology, the study of immunity. Generally people are knowing that what is immune power. We people are having certain immune power. When we wake up early in the morning, suppose I am not feeling well at the morning, and what happened after sometimes when I will take bath and I went to my respective work, there after 1 or 2 hours I will feel good. Then afternoon also I will be okay. So how that happens? Morning I am not well, but then also how that happens? That happens because of our immune power. Each and every organism is having its immune power. Then ecology. Ecology means environment. Environment means that what all surroundings are there nearby us, both living as well as the non-living one. Then see children, different scopes of biologies are given. Okay, what is the main scope of biology? The first and foremost thing, you people had made certain goal, then only you had taken the subject bio. So here, what's the main motive of biology? To study about the curiosity of living system, how the organism is curious to survive in the particular nature. Then next one, by analysis, by observation, we can do this one. Then after that, it also provides career opportunity, then for education and entertainment purpose, then related to the environmental protection also, it makes awareness. So children, these are certain scopes of your biology. Okay children, uh, next class we will start our curriculum first chapter, that is the living world, and this year you have to use know both biology, okay, for the bio subject. Thank you.